Japan Fair, an annual free 2-day event. Introducing, showcasing, and spreading traditional and modern Japan. We greatly appreciate where we are now thanks to the pioneering collaborations and sacrifices. Many organizations and businesses gather to create the festivity in the main hall of Japan Fair. These organizations consist of many locals, but also consist of international groups from Japan. Exhibitors introduce a wide variety of products from Japan, including foods like sake and broth. It's not just goods that they also bring culture. Modern culture and technology is showcased by exhibitors, as well as traditional culture that visitors may not be able to experience anywhere else. Booths from Japan act as a direct connection between the two countries, helping spread Japanese culture. The exhibitors also act as a connection between the older and younger generations. An environment is created where experience, tradition, wisdom, and culture are spread all throughout. Exciting performances on the main stage attract a large audience every year. From the eloquent singing to the powerful martial arts, from the fascinating salmon cutting to the energetic taiko drums. The performances gather everyone to the stage and liven up the whole event. Visitors are mesmerized by what they have available to see at the mini-stages, workshops, and seminars. Tea ceremonies and bonsai demonstrations allow visitors to immerse themselves into the traditional Japanese culture. Workshop and seminar instructors then take those visitors and bridge them across time and between countries. Japan Fair continues to be a place where everyone learns new ideas, experiences new things, and meets new people. Sometimes it's what they've always wished they could do. These opportunities and this event is only made possible because of the tremendous support from the community. Your donation is what gives everyone at the Japan Fair a big smile on their face. Support Japan Fair to maintain a place where every community comes together and bonds. A place where the younger generation can learn about tradition, while the older can learn about the modern. Help share the love for Japan. Become the bridge between countries, cultures, and generations. Thank you for your support.